gonna do some workouts now. I like the really short ones, just so I can work on everything. This portion of the video is kindly sponsored by VT Cosmetics. I'll show you some products from their Cica line. They're actually pretty popular if you haven't seen them before. I'll just start my skincare right now. I will start with the toner pad. I'll be using a mask, and just so I can get all the ingredients to fully absorb into my skin from the mask, I'll start off with a toner pad. This is their Cica Mild Toner Pad. This contains BHA that gently exfoliates the skin and also excess sebum, which is what creates acne in the first place. So all these products are their Cica line. This is a line that helps to prevent acne and to treat acne, especially during like maskne season. I've been affected by maskne, and also with dust. And it also comes with a little tweezer, so cute. This also contains their patented ingredients, Cica Liao, which soothes skin, and also their other ingredient, Cica Hyaluron, which helps to strengthen the skin's moisture barrier. That ultimately helps the skin to prevent acne if you have a good skin barrier and if you are retaining moisture. So there's two sides of it. There's the exfoliating side and the smooth side. Any excess product I always like to put on my neck. This also contains 3 types of hyaluronic acid, a Centella 4X complex, and also Centella asiatica extract. In addition, it also restores the skin's pH balance. The skin's pH balance is very important. If it's too acidic, your skin is more prone to acne. Like the best pH for your skin is 5.5, somewhere around there. This product just helps to restore the skin's pH balance. Now we have prepped our skin, and then we could finally use the masks. There are 30 in here. This is honestly one of the coolest ideas, because you can just pull out the mask. It's also made out of their 2 patented ingredients, the Cica Liao and the Cica Hyaluron. Like this. Hi. This mask helps to hydrate and smooth stressed and dry out skin, which after midterms, this is something that is really needed after midterms and exams. And then you can leave this on for around 15 minutes. Also a tip, make sure you don't leave on the mask for too long, because when it's dried out, the moisture is sucked back out into the mask. So really it's doing the opposite effect. To seal all that moisture, we're gonna use the Cica cream with their Cica Liao patented ingredient. This protects and soothes the skin from environmental factors such as dust and from the use of masks. It also deeply hydrates. It also helps to improve the moisture retaining properties of the skin. This one makes your skin look it gives you the glass skin effect. Currently, Olive Young is having a promotion period with VT Cosmetics from March 17th to the 31st. There will be up to 30% off all items. Then between the 17th and the 23rd, there will be a 10% discount coupon in the cart. Also, if you purchase more than $20 worth of products, you'll get a free sheet of their Cica spot patches. So I think it's really nice. I always get my products on sale, even if I don't need them, just because later on I have a backup, I don't have to worry about anything, and I got it cheaper. That's what I always do. Thank you again to VT Cosmetics for sponsoring this video. For lunch, I'll be having sinigang. My grandma made it. Sinigang is my favorite, and I haven't had it so long. Ta-da! Let me turn off the light first. Hot. And today's a little bit chillier. I don't know why. It's been warm like this whole, for like not 2 weeks, for like a week. And for the rest of the week, I don't mind. I like the cold, so. Thanks for lunch. A jelly lobster.
Oh, looked like a lobster.
Oh. Oh my god. It's not hard cut. Wow, this is my first time cutting cabbage. Chicken. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's a little hard to cut. Wow. Ta-da! Oh. It's a very rainy day today. I just want to show you my lunch. Well, kind of lunch, dinner. doesn't look so good. And then I will watch Gilmore Girls. I don't know why I like it so much. I guess because it's funny. And it reminds me of Friends. So if you like Friends, I think you like this one.
What did you say to her? I should not go by her name. It was on knees. It was fraternizing with the enemy.
What the spell?
Really? No. Never actually.
I love the bread.
Of him saying dying to go or anything, but
spend my heart in Tokyo.
As you can see, my bangs are very long. I have to cut them every week or else I cannot see.
Tomorrow is a different day. I pray to not get played again.
Uneven. Oh no. I feel like this side's longer. Oh my goodness. Oh man, why is it there's like this one short part? It's okay. Hair grows. I don't want to make something to eat, but I don't know what to eat.
Pop now.
No way!
Sticky toffee pudding.
Milk chocolate. Sticky toffee pudding! Tell him thank you. Oh wow! You want to split this one? Split. What? What'd you? This is the chocolate one. We are making salmon, and then the rice is already done. Ta-da. Salmon's ready. And then I like adding this. It's not sauce, it's a soup base, but I use it for both.
I'm so sorry. They will not have it.
I'm gonna do some makeup right now because I'll be going out soon. So
See, you know. Where do you think you're going? Oh, so that's why you're not going thing. It's
Stephanie. That was like I had a chicken sandwich that day.
where am I?
Together. Like none of it.
Guys, you have to be in here. It's like
You know on this one, she has creepy.
Showing no emotion.
I think I'm okay.
Caress what
Like,
you
literally.
show me your best. There's nothing but that sundress girl. If you're inclined.
hello, I am back home now. I don't know, I don't have much to talk about. I'll try to make my videos longer. I know they've been really short lately, so I apologize for that, but I'll try my best to make them longer for the next videos. So I will see you next week. Have a good day. Bye.